Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha and today we'll be making UV bracelets using UV beads. And these will change color under a black light, which is artificial UV, or you could step outside into the sunlight for natural UV. And they'll be different colors. So you can guess which one will be the blue, pink, yellow. All these white beads will change color. So I'm going to go ahead and take my bracelet example and go outside to show you how it changes color. Isn't that so cool? Alright, in your kit you will find UV beads, you will find regular beads, also elastic cord to put your beads on and make your bracelet. What's not in your kit, but you will still need, most people have at home, are scissors. So go ahead and grab a pair. Kid scissors work just fine. Okay, first step is designing your bracelet. So what I did is I did my regular beads with some of my UV beads. Now you can just use your UV beads if that's what you want to do and not use these, but I think it makes a nice design if you use the regular beads. So I'm going to go ahead and make it kind of similar to this. Probably do more UVs. Make a nice little pattern. So go ahead and design your bracelet. So I think I like it just like that. And I'm going to thread all of this through my cord, my elastic cord. Now, once you put all your beads on, you're going to go ahead and tie it. So be careful, you just want to tie it together. Don't drop it. If you need a guardian or parent to help you hold it, you can. So once it's tight enough like that, I'm going to double knot it right there. One and then two. There you go, and the scissors are to trim this portion, that extra part of the elastic cord. So go ahead, don't cut the knot, leave a little bit of the elastic cord. You don't want to cut your knot, really important. So just a little bit, right there. Okay, so once you've double knotted that, you can go ahead and wear your bracelet. And then I'm going to show you how it changes by going outside. Alright everyone, I'm heading out. Let's see our colors. Isn't that wild? Already. And I just stepped outside. Did you know scorpions will fluoresce under an ultraviolet light, also known as a black light? The glow is caused by substance in a layer of their skin.